Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up with the WhatsApp app. And then once you're in here, just go and locate settings. Okay. For iPhones, it might be different. You might be able to see settings right here at the very bottom. So for Androids, tap on three dots, tap on settings. Wi-Fi selected. Once it allows, you gotta find privacy. Tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, we have status. Okay. So what you're going to do is just tap on it. And then in here, what you got to do is you got to select my contacts except who, okay, or only share with. Let's say you only wanted to share your statuses to the selected people, okay, or persons. Well, it's up to you. Or my contacts except, tap on this excluded section. Okay, you can go ahead and select from one of your friends right here or contacts. Okay, let's say I don't want my mom right here to see my statuses or my dad. Again, I'm going to select them and then just hit on check. Okay, and once that's done, when you go ahead and update or upload a status, well, these two right here, my mom and dad won't be able to see it. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.